What to do if your affordable housing application is denied. Getting turned down for affordable housing can feel frustrating, but it's not the end of the road. Knowing what steps to take next can open new doors and help you find a place to call home. First, carefully read the denial notice you received. It should explain why your application was rejected. Common reasons include income being too high, credit issues, eviction history, or a criminal record. If your background was a factor, the notice might specify the type of offense or how long ago it happened. Understanding the reason helps you plan your next move. Next, gather documents that support your case. This could be proof of income, employment verification, or letters from community leaders or employers. If your criminal history was a reason, letters from counselors, job trainers, or others who can vouch for your character are helpful. Showing evidence of rehabilitation or participation in programs like job training or community service can strengthen your appeal. Most affordable housing programs are required to give you a chance to appeal. The denial letter should include instructions on how to request an appeal and the deadline to do so. Act quickly because missing the deadline could mean losing your chance to challenge the decision. You can usually request an appeal in writing, by email, or in person. Keep copies of all your correspondence and any confirmation you receive. The appeal process is often informal. You might meet with housing staff to discuss your case. Before the meeting, review your application and the reasons for denial. Bring all relevant documents and consider having someone support you, like a caseworker or advocate. Be prepared to explain any circumstances that might have affected your application, such as time passed since your offense or steps you've taken to improve your situation. If you have a disability that contributed to past issues, you can ask for a reasonable accommodation during the appeal. During the appeal, clearly explain why you believe the denial was unfair. Focus on facts like how long ago your offense was, positive changes you've made, and your current stability. If there were errors in your application, such as income miscalculations, point these out and provide correct information. Stay respectful and calm, even if you feel frustrated. Housing providers are supposed to consider your individual circumstances, not just automatic rules. They should look at the nature of your offense, how much time has passed, and what you've done since then. Recent guidance says that a conviction alone, especially if it was years ago and you've shown rehabilitation, should not automatically disqualify you. If you believe your rights were violated, you can file a complaint with a fair housing agency. If your appeal is unsuccessful, don't give up. Reach out to reentry support organizations for help with appeals or finding other housing options. These groups can also assist with job searches, mental health support, and financial planning. Building a support network and staying engaged in positive activities can boost your chances in future applications. If your appeal is denied, ask about other housing programs or waiting lists you can join. Some programs have different rules, so applying to multiple options increases your chances. Keep copies of all documents and correspondence related to your application and appeal. This record can be useful if you need further help or want to file a complaint. Remember, a denial doesn't mean you can't find housing. Many people successfully appeal decisions when they present a clear, well-documented case showing their readiness for stable living. Staying persistent and using available support services can help you secure affordable housing after reentry.